In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with WordPress. This integration can streamline your business processes by effectively synchronizing your contact forms and lead generation efforts, saving you time and enhancing your workflow efficiency. Let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard, which serves as the control center for all things related to your WordPress website. Once you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a variety of options listed, one of which is Plugins. Hover over Plugins and a submenu will appear. From this list, select Add New. This is where you can browse through countless plugins that extend the functionality of your WordPress site. After clicking Add New, you'll be taken to the Plugins page where you'll see a search bar in the top right corner. This is where you can find specific plugins by typing in keywords related to what you're looking for. In this case, you'll want to type in Zoho CRM into the search bar. Hit Enter and allow a few moments for WordPress to pull up the results. Once the search results appear, look for the Zoho CRM plugin. There will likely be several options, but you want to make sure you select the one that is officially recognized and most reliable. When you find the Zoho CRM plugin you want, click the Install Now button that you'll see next to it. This begins the installation process, which might take a few seconds, so just be patient. After installation is complete, the button you just clicked will change to say Activate. Go ahead and click Activate. This step is crucial because simply installing the plugin doesn't mean it's functional right away. The activation is what turns the plugin on, so to speak. Now, with the Zoho CRM plugin activated, it becomes part of your active plugin list and is ready to help bridge the gap between your WordPress site and your Zoho CRM interface. By integrating Zoho CRM with your WordPress site, you can enhance your customer relationship management by capturing leads directly into Zoho CRM from your WordPress forms. This means all of your website interactions can translate directly into your CRM workflows, allowing for a more seamless transition from visitor interaction to lead management. Be sure to explore the settings and options available within the plugin to tailor the integration to your specific needs, and always keep an eye out for updates that might improve functionality or security. That's all there is to it for the integration. I hope this guide helps you efficiently connect Zoho CRM with WordPress. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.